Beats by Zero.
What's up, YouTube? So back at it again with another video. This one will be quick and simple, as in it will be how to install a riv nut in your car. So basically Skyline's right here, and I already did this side just because before it was self tap, and then once you take it out it just looks like that. Like, you don't want to keep on just putting bolts and stuff because it's not gonna go through, right? So this is fucking Goo Gone, actually. Fuck, that's a lot of Goo Gone. So last night I was using Goo Gone just to get rid of the adhesive and shit, and I gotta clean this part just because you always want your surface that you're gonna put on the riv nut to be clean, just because it's gonna stay there for a while, right? So basically that's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. So first, for me I already have holes and stuff, so drill a hole, and then you need this thing, I forgot what it's called, I have a brain fart right now, to make it bigger, the holes to make it bigger. And then heat gun, this is for the fiberglass, and this is what you call a riv nut. There's a riv nut and there's a riv stud. So this one's a nut, as in because you take this off, right? Change sizes like that, you put it, and then after that you just put sorry about that, the angle, just because I'm using my one hand, the appropriate size, put that, and you press this, and then it will crimp this I don't know, half an inch inside. So basically what you're gonna do is this, put that like that. Of course I'm still gonna make the holes bigger. Then after that you just punch this in. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, I'll just put you guys on, not even time lapse, just every time I do it. So let's check it out. Already made the hole bigger, as you guys can see, compared to that one. And now I'm gonna put this perfect size, right? And then you just push as hard as you can. I'm gonna do it, I don't know if you guys can get the gist of it, but let me put you guys down actually. Right. Oh fuck, there you guys go. So press it down. Yeah. And not too hard, because you guys might fuck up the threads. So after that, just go left to loosey, so you guys can take it off, just because it's threaded, right? You guys go. And the hardware, stainless steel, right? I'll show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, cleaner rather than that, because this, you can just put this, but it's not gonna be clean. So fuck, there you guys go. That's how you guys use a riv nut, and just do exact same step. You can use this, make it bigger, right? Like that. And after that, yeah. So pretty cool, just because now it's cleaner look. So that's how you guys use a riv nut, and yeah, you guys gonna see this car running soon. And I'm just been taking my time, just because I want it to be really nice, on point, all that stuff, and always double check your measurements. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Already dark, just because I started at 9. Believe it or not, it was actually 9 when I started, but that's what it looks like, guys. So to show it to you guys, it's cleaner. I still have double-sided tape, but just Of course, just depending on you guys if you guys want hardware showing. But I don't really care just because like this is not OEM, so I have to like do something with it. But it makes the car way nicer, cleaner, and wider. And once I put the wheels, it'd be nice, man. So I'm just gonna cut it short like that. And if you guys like the video, if you guys think that it helped you guys out, comment down below. And I don't know. Well, see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.